Hello everybody, Vanessa here from Degania Aromatics, and today I want to share with you the opening of a surprise I got from Columbus Foods, Soper's Choice, and the president is Paulette. I am not good at pronouncing her last name, so I'm going to ask her to forgive me. And let's open the box and see what we got. Wow, let me see. This is so exciting. Okay. Got an overview of their custom blends. I'm going to take a good look at this. And here, this is really cool. This is really cool. Nice big giant clamp. Oh, isn't that nice? Can you guys see it? Soper's Choice. And oh, these are so cool. These are stickies. But you know what? This is another sticky, but this is really good for scraping. Like, let's say if you're making soap, you need to really scrape it, or even let's say if you're working with some butters, great for scraping, like these. Oh, got another one. I always need pens. What's this? Oh, oh, this is so cool. Check it out, y'all. So, I always need more aprons. The aprons get dirty so fast. But, yes, you will see me wearing these in my videos. I have a gray one. And I have a very nice tote bag here. I want to say to Paulette, thank you so much for remembering me. It is truly appreciated. Folks out there watching this video, please, before you click off the video, please like, subscribe, comment, share, etc. Would appreciate it. And in the comment section, I am going to give you a link to the Soper's Choice website. Great products, lots of, especially if you're going to buy in bulk for making your soaps, your body scrubs, your lotions, etc. Thank you, and bye-bye for now.